Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss and teach you guys how to perform subtraction of two numbers in PHP programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, visitors, and most importantly to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded videos. So let's begin. PHP is one of the most very popular programming language around the world, especially here in the Philippines. All the schools, colleges, universities here in their curriculum in BS Information Technology, Computer Science, Information System, Multimedia, Game Development, PHP is being taught, no, or being taught to the students. The main reason why PHP is very popular, number one, it is very easy to learn. Okay, if you have a background in C, C++, or Java, or even C#, your learning leverage or transition is much easier because PHP is based on the C language. Okay, so we have here, no, PHP tag question mark PHP $x equals 8 for the first variable, $y we have 2, and then I have here assignment statement $subtract equals $x minus $y, and then echo difference comma $subtract, and then we close the PHP tag. Okay, that's it. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Okay, let us go with our browser. So I'm using onlinecompiler.com, online PHP compiler. Okay, let us click the run button to see the result. So the difference between 8 and 2 is 6. If we want to change the value of x to, let's say, 16, and then the value of y, let's say 5, when we click the run button, so the difference between 6 and 5 is 11. Okay guys, so that's it, no? This is the end of our tutorial video for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.